and my topic for today is taking care of a cat. Charles Dickens once said, "What greater than the love of a cat?" According to dailypost.com, there are 3 ways to take care of a cat. First, brush your cat every day. Many long-haired cats need grooming every day to prevent knots from forming, while short-haired cats generally do a good job of grooming themselves. However, grooming sessions at least once a week is still important to keep their coat in a good condition. In my case, I brush my cat 20 times a week. He loves it when I do it. I divide his hair in the center, and he makes a funny face like that. Second, do not train your cat to use a scratching post. This is to protect your furniture from damage. At home, my sister has a unique way of training my cat. Do you know how she does it? She uses a stuffed toy, which is also a cat, and she gives him a command and pretend it didn't follow. And she slapped the toy really hard. That scared my cat. Unique, isn't it? This motto worked well. So, our furniture is always neat and in a good condition. Third, don't feed your cat too much dry food. Dry food, not canned food, or any other high-dose street food, is where the calories are. Dry food leads to leading cause of obesity in cats or other pets. Obesity by itself leads to many serious diseases, including diabetes. To ensure our cat's health, our family feeds him tuna and salmon time to time. He gets excited every time and eats like there's no tomorrow. Having a pet like cats or dogs are a blessing. Thank you.